Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Ritter. I'm a tool sales specialist here at LDV. Today we're going to check out a few features on Andrew Holland's new 26-foot Peterbilt 537. Congratulations, Andrew. So now let's check it out. On the exterior, we have 3 storage boxes. These are not store-bought, they're handmade in our metal fab shop in our weather-resistant boxes. We have an angled knife case with red lacing, and we have 6 socket rails with chrome magnets. From all of us at LDV, thank you, Andrew. We appreciate the business. If any of you like the features in this truck or would like some more information on a new custom truck, please feel free to give us a call.